Have you ever considered whether there is a natural approach to repair nerve damage and restore your body's complex communication network? Well, you're in luck. Today, we will reveal the powerful secrets of vitamins that can help rejuvenate and repair your nerve damage. In this journey, we will explore how vitamins can be your natural remedy for a healthier, happier nervous system. Let's dive right in. We start our journey with a vitamin that's an absolute nerve powerhouse: vitamin B12. Found in abundance in leafy greens like spinach and kale, as well as in animal products, this vitamin is crucial for nerve health. It aids in the formation of myelin, the protective sheath around your nerves. Let us now discuss vitamin E. Almonds are an excellent source. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects your nerves from oxidative stress and damage. A handful of almonds per day can help keep your nerves in good shape. Next, we'll look at omega-3 fatty acids, which are rich in fatty fish like salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids contain anti-inflammatory qualities that can help reduce nerve inflammation and improve healing. Including salmon in your diet is like giving your nerves an internal massage. Citrus fruits are also included on our list because they are a great source of vitamin C. This vitamin is crucial for nerve repair because it promotes the creation of collagen, which is essential for the structure of nerve tissues. Let us now discuss folic acid, generally known as vitamin B9. It can be found in fortified cereals and leafy greens. Folic acid is required for the growth and function of nerve cells. Including these foods in your diet can significantly aid in nerve repair and regeneration. Potassium, which can be found in foods like bananas and orange juice, is another star in the nerve healing show. Potassium helps maintain the electrical conductivity of nerve cells, ensuring smooth transmission of signals. Now, here's the key to success: a balanced diet. Combining these nerve-boosting vitamins and minerals in your daily meals can provide comprehensive support for nerve repair. Remember, the more colorful your plate, the happier your nerves will be. Before we conclude, keep in mind that, while vitamins are valuable allies in the journey of nerve repair, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional for a personalized approach to your nerve health.